You guys are all doing? Hope you guys are good. So yeah, today we are going to be trading in my bedroom. So I'm just waking up, right? Just waking up, and the time right now is what says the time? Let me check it out. Day 28, yeah. This is yeah, this is 7:53 a.m. So to 8. And today, guys, we are going to like trade right here in my bedroom for 24 hours. So we aren't going anywhere today. So definitely just to trade with you guys. I'll see how we are going to be doing and all of that. So for the fact that I'm just waking up, I'm not actually going to do anything on my laptop right now. You know, pending when I'm done with everything. So just waking up right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the bathroom and you know clean up and all of that. There, maybe head to the trading room over there so we can just trade and all of that. So with that being said, let me go and clean up, guys. So as I told you guys that I need to go and clean up. You all can see how rough my face looks right now and all of that. But time for me to clean up. So let me just do that right now because it is very, very important. So you all know what I like to do first is just to brush up, wash my face, and all of that. I don't know if you guys would like to see me washing my face and all. I don't just know. All right, but whether you like it or not, let me just do that. But I'll still speed up the video though. So I'm done with that. You know, time to head out and do other things. So now that I'm done with that, what I'm going to be doing next is I'll usually like to, you know, after I brush my teeth, I usually like to take water. So I'll do that right now. And this is my trading room where I actually trade. Let me on all this so that you all know we want to start trading, right? And let me carry laptop, guys. So I'm just like trying to give you guys how to trade with me for 24 hours, right? So the laptop is here, and let's get things started. All right, so let me set up things, guys, then we will continue from there. Okay, guys, so here we go now on in my trading desk. So what we are going to be doing right now, I'm going to be looking out for which trade to take and all of that. It's still 8:18, so it's not yet 9 or 10. You all can see it's 8:18. So this is still London session. So what I'm going to be doing is I have this trade here, which is GBP USD. I did the analysis yesterday during the market closure, but I was not able to enter the trade. So right now I still have it running. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to look out for where or an opportunity to get into the market to see how I can actually maximize my profit on this particular pair being GBP USD. All right. So this is the setup right now, and the setup is actually for a buy. So I'm going to look out for an entry opportunity, right? Because right now I you know missed entry, and the market is 28 pips in profit right now, so I missed it, guys. And of course, maybe by 8:30 we are going to see different setup and all of that, right? So right now there's this account I'm trading. So today we are going to be trading with my $500,000 account. So I don't know if you all can see this. Focus on it, man. I don't know if you can focus on it. I don't know, but it's actually a $500,000 account. So I will even do the screen recording so that you all see it right now. So let me screen record it so that I can be showing you guys whatever I'm doing on my mobile device as well and so on. So this is my $500,000 account. So with this $500,000 we withdrew $422,000. You all can see that. I don't know if you all can see that, $422,000. So ignore all those sell setup I did. I was just messing around with the account and all of that. So $422,000 in withdrawal, and this is where I messed up. I was trying to sell just now, and nothing happening. I'm waiting for the buy setup, guys. And of course, now will be the best time to buy. So right now, since I missed this trade, I'm going to enter a buy now based on the fact that the setup says it's a buy, right? So I did this setup yesterday. Okay, I did this setup yesterday. I saw that I just mark out my major support and resistance zone. If you all know how I trade, that's how I trade, by marking my major support and resistance and all of that. After marking that out, then identify the trend. So after I identify the trend, then look out for where your support and resistance is again, and boom, look out for candlestick patterns, execute the trade, and let it run. All right, so right now let me go down to the 5-minute time frame to check out what is happening right now. So you all see what is happening on the 5-minute time frame. This is some of the things that I like to see on the 5-minute time frame whenever I'm trying to execute my trade. So remember, I'm late into this trade. So since the market broke out of this structure and tried to come down again, this is my previous level here. So right now, guys, it is time for me to buy. Oh, you can see how the market is moving. So let me buy with 50 lot size. 50 lot size buy, just executed this. So I entered the trade. So since this is my original entry point and this is where I got in right now, definitely if the market break out of this structure right here, I'm going to get out of it. I'm going to get out right here. I'm going to close it if the market decides to break out of this structure and continue to push that. So I'm going to close my current position right now for this 50 lot size, and I'm going to risk 3% on this trade. This is my aggressive account, actually aggressive account. So 1% of $500,000 is 5,000. So if I lose $15,000, so that's 30 pips. If I lose $15,000 on this account for 30 pips, for 30 pips, if I lose $15,000, that's it. So this is my aggressive account. That's why I got in with this 50 lot size. So you all can see I have minus 1,000 and thereabout running right now. So I'll update you guys after a few hours. So guys, this is few hours later. This is 12 p.m. It's 12 o'clock, and you all can see my trade right now. Minus $9,000, guys. $9,000. So I'm still holding this trade right now. You all can see the analysis. The market came down to my entry point, but right now it's still trying to go back up and all of that. So I have confidence in this trade that it's still going to go back up, right? But currently minus $8,500, so it's not even up to 2% on this particular account. Remember I said I'm going to lose 3% if this particular trade eventually get to where I'm expecting and all of that. So right now, it hit 14,000 before, so I was like, okay, it's about to hit my target area for a loss. So once get to that $15,000, I could have closed out of the trade, but right now it's still reading approximately $9,000. So that's almost 2% of my account. So right now I'm still holding the trade. Whatever happens, guys, I'll still update you guys on the trade and all of that. So this is me 4 hours into the trade right now. So still trading and still holding the market, the trade and all of that. So whatever happens, I'll update you guys. So yeah, that's the update I have for now. You know, in the next 1 hour, we are going to be in a New York session. So definitely we'll see what New York session will have for us and all of that. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in a few hours again. Yeah, so how you guys doing? I'm back again. So eventually I ended up closing the trade, guys, and I lost on that particular trade. So this is Forex and it happens, nothing we can do. So, you know, if it's a loss, we just take the loss and move on. Do you understand what I'm saying? So right now I took a loss and, you know, that's what the market presents to me, guys. So this is it on my phone right now. You all see that's the trade right there. Lost $12,500. So $12,500, that's what I lost on this particular account. So but overall on the account, you know, in profit I made $422,000. That's in withdrawal, right? You're going to be seeing it on the screen. I'm going to, you know, put it on the screen so that you guys can see it and confirm it, right? So this is what the market was doing, guys. You all can see, you know, see where I closed out of this trade right here, and from there after closing, then you can see that the market pushed down to the downside. So let me just show you on my laptop so that, you know, it will be very easy for you to understand and all of that. So what happened? Okay, so this is it now on my laptop, guys. So if I go down on the 5-minute time frame, you will see what happened. You know, I told you guys when the market come back down to this level, I'm going to close out. So it even came down, broke out, and decided to retest again before pushing to the downside. So we are seeing change in the market structure on this smaller time frame, being 5-minute time frame, but I'm not going to enter the trade again right now based on the fact that I'm seeing some changes and all of that. So on the 1 hour time frame, the market is back at my entry point. So I will see what the market is going to do on this level before I'm going to like either look out for another buy opportunity or I'm going to look out for a sell opportunity. All right, so right now the market was at this support level, decided to break out of this previous resistance structure, created another resistance level here, decided to come back down for a retracement to this level, then came back up for double top formation, right? So, you know, definitely here I was expecting a breakout of this structure before the market to come back up for my, you know, final take profit at around price 1.34431, but the market eventually decided to come back down again for retracement right now. So we'll see what is going to happen if the market react to this level. Definitely we might see another push to the upside and all of that. So if the market is not able to push to the upside, definitely we might see some change in the market structure, guys, and for it to push down to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing on GBP/USD. With that being said, guys, you know, thank you very much for checking on us today, and thank you very much for following this trade today. Definitely I'll be uploading more contents like this so that you all can understand how we trade or how I personally trade and all of that. So definitely, if this is what you are interested in, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And also don't forget to subscribe, because when you are subscribed to the channel, whenever I upload a new video to it, definitely you'll be the first person to be notified and watch the channel, the video and all of that. So with that being said, I'm still Israel the Trader. I will see you guys in our next video.